Well, right now in Colorado, juveniles can be charged as adults in the most serious of cases.
But what about charging some adults as juveniles? Certainly a controversial idea, and today a legislative committee at the state capitol debated a bill that would allow it. Our political specialist, Sean Boyd, live there right now. And Sean, how would this work?
So, Jim, anyone aged 18 to 25 who is charged with a nonviolent felony could ask a judge to be transferred to juvenile court. Nonviolent felonies include most sex offenses, strangulation, vehicular homicide, burglary, kidnapping, among other serious crimes. The bill advanced out of committee despite strong opposition from the District Attorney's Council and Association for Victims Assistance.
In that the prefrontal cortex, the decision-making center, is not fully developed until around the age of 25.
Representative Serena Gonzalez Gutierrez says the law may consider 18-year-olds adults, but science doesn't, which is why she says she's bringing a bill that would allow 18 to 25-year-olds to be transferred to juvenile court, even if they're charged with a serious felony.
The individuals that I think of are those people that are, being convicted of drug offenses, or maybe it's, some type of theft crime, non-crimes of violence.
Most sex offenses are not considered crimes of violence under the law.
Boulder County District Attorney Mike Doherty says the bill would allow most accused sex offenders, including rapists, to be treated as juveniles. Sex crimes expert Amanda Gall says it would drastically reduce their sentences, too, giving probation in most cases.
It's going to be a difficult conversation for prosecutors with victims and survivors of sexual assault or abuse, because we're going to have to tell them, even if you go through the traumatic experience of trial, we will be required to cycle that offender right back into your community, and we cannot guarantee that they'll participate in any type of treatment.
I am all for addressing any concerns around sex offenses.
Gonzalez Gutierrez says the bill doesn't eliminate consequences, rather makes them age appropriate.
You think about somebody developmentally between those ages and, the struggles that they're having. They need sometimes a second chance to try to get it together.
But Doherty argues it ignores victims and public safety and defies logic.
We allow individuals who are of a certain age to drive, to drink, to possess firearms, and to join the military. I can't believe that we would say that the only area where we don't attach adult responsibility to them is when they do something wrong.
It's estimated 4,600 cases could be transferred to juvenile court if this bill becomes law, requiring an additional 3,000 employees in the Judicial Department and juvenile corrections, as well as more facilities in youth corrections. All that at an estimated cost of $375 million a year. The bill still needs approval from leadership in both chambers before going to the full legislature. Live at the Capitol, Sean Boyd covering Colorado First.
All right, Sean, thank you.